Assalamu alaikum. This is a lecture of Algebraic Topology. So today I will explain the definition of contractible. So what is the definition of contractible? Any space X is contractible if the unique map from X to C means the unique map from IX is equal to C for all X belongs to X. Okay, there is a such type of constant map from X to C is an homotopic equivalence. In other words, we can say if there exists some map from G this point C to X such that ID on X is homotopic to G. This is the constant map. Okay, the identity map is homotopic to constant map where G is the constant map at C. Okay, so let's define an example. So R2 is an a homotopic to C. So let's define a map, continuous map. Let's define a continuous map from R2 cross I, where I is the unit interval, unit closed interval from 0 to 1 to C, such that how can we define? This is the equation to define the map f of x comma t is equal to I minus t into x plus t into c. This is the straight line homotopy. Okay, so if we substitute in the place of t is equal to 0, we will get x. Okay, for all x belongs to x. If we substitute all the x and if we substitute t is equal to 0, we will get x, means this is the identity map at x. Okay, so if we substitute if we substitute in this place t is equal to 1, so this term is 0, so we will get c, means for all x belongs to x, means there is a constant map at c. So this means that there is a homotopy f from ID on x to constant map at C, means this is the conclusion. R2 is homotopic to this C point. This is a contractible space. R2 is a contractible space because it is homotopic to point. Okay, so I will explain in next video. Allah Hafiz.